Hi, friends. Today we are going to talk about the word prediction, and then we're going to predict which items sink or float. The word prediction is a statement about the future, it's a guess. I predict, like we do with Miss Alicia during the weather, we predict the weather for the afternoon in the morning. So I want you guys to predict which items are going to sink or float. And I have 4 cups, and 3 cups in a jar, and I'm going to put a couple items in. But first, I want you to predict which items are going to sink and which are going to float. All right, the first item we have is a marker top. What do you think? Is it going to sink or float? Okay, I think it's going to float. What did it do? The marker top floated. So our marker top floated. Good job. Marker top floated. All right, let's go to the next object. Oh, let me get it up. See what this is? It's a nickel. Do you think it's going to sink or float? All right, I think it might sink. Let's see. It's at the bottom. It sunk. So we're going to write the coin. Okay. Now, I don't know why I have 4 cups. I could just do it in 1 or 2. All right, what is this? It's just a piece of yarn, right? All right, what do you predict the yarn is going to do? Sink or float? All right, let's see if you're right. It floated. So if you predicted the yarn would float, it did. You guys are so smart. The yarn floated. Yarn. Looks like it. Look like yam. Yarn. All right, our next one is what is this? A rock. What do you think? What do you predict? Sink or float? Let's find out. Whoa. It really sunk to the bottom fast. So the rock sunk to the bottom. All right, our next item is, what is this? It's a Q-tip. Yep, you're right. All right, you predict if it's going to sink or float. All right, you ready? Let's see. Oh, floated. So if you pick floated, you were correct. Q Q-tip. All right. One more. Uno más. It is a Lego piece. Do you think it's going to sink or float? All right, let's find out. Oh, whoa. Look at that. It floated. I actually thought it might sink. My prediction was wrong. All right, let's put the Lego floated. Maybe it's because it had holes in it. All right, look at all the items that you made predictions on whether they would sink or float. And you can do this activity at home with your mom or dad or an adult and get items, and you can email us your video and we will put it in your file and on Class Dojo. See you later. Bye, guys.